The history of calculators.
The abacus, now found exclusively in doctors' waiting rooms, is thought to be the first calculator with evidence of its use as early as 2000 BC. Consisting of rows of beads corresponding to tens, hundreds, and thousands, it could be used for simple addition and subtraction, and was effective for thousands of years, until the invention of the slide rule by William Gunter. The slide rule was essentially a moving stick or disc that would use a logarithmic scale to allow multiplication and division. Its small size made it suitable for students to carry with them.
The first mechanical calculator was made in 1642 by Blaise Pascal. Known as the Pascaline or arithmetic machine, this device could add, subtract, multiply, and divide, and was used to collect taxes in France. Mechanical push-button calculators appeared in 1887, the first of which was the Compumeter, designed by Dor Eiffelt. The last successful mechanical calculator was the Curter calculator, created by Kurt Herstach. This pocket-sized calculator, invented in 1948, was capable of performing the four basic calculations. Electronic and microchip calculators were introduced in the 20th century, enabling more complex calculations to be performed. The Anita Mark VII and Mark VIII were the first personal desktop calculators to be made in 1961. They used cold cathode vacuum tubes and numerical display tubes to show results. The Olivetti Programmer 101 was the first programmable personal computer. Released in 1965, this computer used magnetic cards to read and write and displayed results on it. As our understanding of electronics improved, cathode ray tubes were replaced with microchips, allowing pocket-sized calculators to be created. These modern calculators fall into three different categories. The first being standard four-function calculators, which can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The second being scientific calculators, which are capable of more complex operations involving operators like the square root, powers, and exponentials. And the final being graphic calculators, which have the ability to display graphs. In recent decades, calculators have continued to decrease in price and size while increasing in processing speed and functionality. For this reason, they are now incredibly widespread and are even available on our phones.